First of all, you need to download the Seesaw app.
You will need your home learning code from your teacher.
If you want to upload anything yourself, you can do it through Journal. Your teacher will assign you work and it will appear on activities.
You can record our answers in lots of different ways.
I'm going to show you how to do text. First, 5 times 1, 10 equals 5 tens. So, I'm going to put a 5 and then just make it a little bit bigger and then there we go. And then 5 times 10 equals 50. And you can make it however big like the box is. So it's glitching. Wait. I'm going to be showing you how to record your voice while doing your homework or even questions on Seesaw. So what you do is you press the microphone underneath the T and above the camera. So you just press that. Then you will press start recording. So you press that and it will automatically record your voice. So for examples, I will answer all the questions on question number 2. So the first question is 2 times 10, and the answer to that is 20. 4 times 10, 40. 8 times 10, 80. 7 times 10, 70. 10 times 6, 60. And 10 times 3, 30.
How to upload anything to Seesaw. So first you would click the green button that says add. Then you would choose which one you would like to do. I'm going to click photo because that's what I'm doing. Then you would take a picture. So you would click one of the green camera icons. Then wait for it to load. And then it will come up with your picture or whatever you're doing. Then once you're finished, you would click the green tick and select what folder. I'm going to click computing because this is a piece of computing work we did. Then you click the green tick again, wait for it to load, and now it has been uploaded.
This is how to comment on Seesaw. Click on the small comment button in the corner and then write out what you would like to type as your comment. For example, then there's a small post button in the corner, a blue post button that has capital letters that say post. Then you click on that post button and it will post it. You can also favourite it if you would like.
I like the way that we can record our work in different ways.
In Year 5, we enjoyed doing our homework on Seesaw.